Packetcraft and Layered Connectivity have partnered to create a new LE Audio evaluation kit. Developers can now get their hands on Bluetooth LE Audio technology and try out different LE Audio use cases. The kit uses layered BL5340 series module, running Packetcraft's comprehensive software solution for LE Audio. The BL5340 features the Nordic Semiconductor nRF5340. This is Nordic's most advanced BLE SoC, which uses 2 powerful ARM CPU cores. Packetcraft's software has all the components needed to run LE Audio, including a Bluetooth 5.3 qualified link layer, Bluetooth 5.3 protocol stack, and the new LC3 codec. Inside the box, each kit contains 3 layered connectivity development boards, 3 Packetcraft audio interface boards, plus the cables you need to connect audio inputs and outputs and USB power. The boards come preloaded with a firmware binary, so you can try out different LE Audio applications. You can try out high-quality music on broadcast or unicast isochronous channels, left-right synchronization for TWS, or a wireless microphone application with dual wireless mics. Buy the kit online at packetcraft.com website or email us for more information about software or our partner Layered Connectivity for more information about the module.